Imagine transforming your regular bicycle into a powerful electric beast, all without buying a brand new e-bike. This LpqOxnm conversion kit promises exactly that, but can it truly deliver a thrilling ride and effortless commute? What's really impressive right out of the box is that this isn't just a motor, it's a comprehensive package. You get everything needed to convert your 28 or 29-inch front-wheel bicycle, meaning no frustrating trips to the store for missing parts. That consistency in components usually translates to a more stable and reliable setup, which is a huge plus for anyone tackling a DIY project like this. Underneath it all, the heart of this kit is a formidable 1,000-watt brushless gearless motor. Forget sluggish starts, this thing delivers smooth, rapid acceleration. We're talking speeds of 45 to 55 kilometers per hour, which is seriously fast for a bicycle. And the best part? It's remarkably quiet. No more noisy brush motors, which also means less maintenance down the line, a win-win in my book. The aluminum construction, weighing in at about 22 pounds, feels robust and adds a solid, quality feel to your converted ride. Riding experience is clearly a priority here. The kit offers a 5-gear speed adjustment, letting you dial in the perfect assist for different terrains or just your mood. But the real game changer for longer rides is the cruise function. Just hold a button for a couple of seconds, and your bike maintains its speed, letting you relax and enjoy the scenery. It's a small touch that makes a big difference in comfort and reduces rider fatigue. Safety is always paramount, and this kit doesn't skimp. The integrated brake levers are designed to cut off power to the motor instantly when engaged. This means quick, reliable stopping power, giving you peace of mind, especially at those higher speeds. It's a crucial feature that shows thoughtful engineering. It's genuinely exciting to see how a kit like this can breathe new life into an old bike, turning it into a practical, fun, and surprisingly powerful commuter or weekend warrior. So, if you're looking to supercharge your existing bicycle with a powerful, feature-rich, and complete conversion kit, the LpqOxnm 48v 1000w kit is an incredibly compelling option that truly delivers on its promise of an exhilarating electric ride.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.